This is a certified pre-owned 2009 BMW 328. This car has an automatic transmission and a 3.0-liter inline six-cylinder engine. All of the following features are included: the premium package, memory settings for the side view mirrors, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, stability control, brake assistance technology, side impact airbags, rain-sensing windshield wipers, external temperature display, and this vehicle has less than 31,000 miles. With an EPA estimated rating of 28 miles per gallon on the highway, more money will stay in your pocket rather than pour into the fuel tank. The BMW inspection process covers everything from safety to performance and general wear. Plus, this BMW is backed by a 6-year, 100,000-mile limited warranty and comes with travel protection 24 hours a day, 365 days a year, even if you're not the one driving. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.